Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a price action trading technique that will alter the way you trade. Now, the fundamental element of the method is the idea of momentum loss demonstrated through candle sizes and shapes, which is a very potent price action technique. We always want to identify significant levels first. And as you can see, this level of support is where the price hit and reversed from. Here's a crucial fact that you must understand if you want to recognize deals with a high likelihood of turning around. As candles approach a level of support or resistance, we want to see them get smaller and smaller since this indicates that price is losing momentum. This is crucial. When price approaches important levels, you want it to be gaining slack and slowing down. Now observe the candle's behavior as the price moves closer to this level of support. As you can see, we start with a large candle, followed by a smaller candle still, a smaller candle, and finally a tiny long wick candle that is refusing support. Finally, a green candle that is even smaller and a reversal candle cause a bounce higher. I'll demonstrate this to you once again with a different pair. The following chart is provided. This form of support is crucial. The price hit and turned upward, as can be seen from when it arrived here previously. A large candle, followed by three smaller candles, each rejecting support as the price moves closer to this level. Next, we have this lovely long wick candle rejecting support at, as you can see, the price then rose, creating a fantastic trading opportunity on the intraday time frames. These dwindling candles indicate that sellers and market shorts are losing momentum as we approach support, which suggests that some sellers may be taking profits as we reach this level of support. So let's move on to another illustration. This is an important level of resistance because, as you can see, we have a double top here before the price begins to decline. Look at how the candles begin to act when the price once more approaches this level of resistance. A large candle is first, then a smaller candle, and finally a red hanging candle that is smaller. A wonderful trading opportunity then presented itself in the form of a candle in which the wick is rejecting this level of resistance before falling. Once more, here is Swiss the cat. This level of resistance has been rejected 3 times before it turned downward, making it an important one. We have a large green candle and a smaller green candle with a smaller green candle that also has the wick rejecting resistance as the price once more approaches this level. The price reverted lower as evidenced by the subsequent smaller candle, which is a red bearish candle. Here is some advice for you. Look for a change in candle color at a point of support or resistance, since this may indicate a potential trend change. Let me illustrate my point for you. Consider all the green candles as the price is rising. Buying price action is shown by green candles. Green candles are lined up, as you can see. The most crucial aspect is that a red bearish candle first appears just before resistance, which is when it turns red. Price then turns around, as you can see. Now, I'll show you the price action to stay away from in the instances below. The following chart is provided. This level of resistance is evident as we turn to the left. See what happens when the price reaches this level now. Once more, we have a small candle, but the one after it is a giant candle, which indicates an increase in momentum. If price doesn't slow down as it approaches these crucial levels, right now, this subsequent candle here demonstrates that attempts to enter short were unsuccessful, and the price blew through. This is a mistake that most novice traders would make because they would have thought this long way candle was a great opportunity to enter short. Therefore, you should always exercise extreme caution when seeing large candles close to support or resistance levels. So let's move on to a different illustration. As the price rises and gets closer to this level, you can see that we have a double top here that serves as resistance. Before price reverses downward, we have a giant candle, a smaller candle that is rejecting this resistance, another candle that is rejecting this opposition, and lastly a red candle that is also rejecting this obstacle. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it valuable and enjoyable. Before we wrap up, I wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel